Biodiverse balls are just another composting technique the vertical urban farmer can use in their growing arsenal. These balls are made up of all the biodiversity lost in our outdated commercial growing practices. When composting with bio balls, there are no no-nos. All house organics can be used. It's all about presentation. When you grow vertically using rich organic soil, these bio balls feed the angels of the soil, the red wiggler, as well as all the biodiversity that follow these heavenly creatures. The bio balls feed the reds feed the soil, and the soil feeds whatever we're growing. So a symbiotic circle is created. Eve growing has closed the loop. Inner city permaculture at its best. More videos coming on this unique composting technique that's destined to change how we compost in our inner cities, where many people don't have the room for traditional outside composting bins. Mother Nature, set in motion by this awesome power, using this amazing tool called science to create a better world for ourselves, the life that surrounds us, and for our children's 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 children's. To infinity and beyond, we will go.